Hi everyone. So in this video I would like to talk about sound. Sound. Whenever we speak words, we're using sound. Even when we write words or think words, we use sound. Even though we're not using our vocal cords, sound is part of every word in every form that words exist as, that they manifest as in this world, in this reality. What is interesting is that you can take one word, like the word silly, and say the word silly in many different ways. For example, you can say silly, or 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 silly, on and on. But each of those sounds communicate something, and that is part of the resonance, where that is a level of communication where whenever we speak or write or communicate ourselves in any way, whatever our experience is inside of ourselves, whatever our presence is, whatever our, what I'm calling resonance is, that always comes through. That always defines the communication. Even if we are smiling and using all sort of great, nice, pleasant words, if you are stressed or any emotion, that will come through in some way. It will come out in your face, like it will be really strange. It will come out in your voice, where even though your voice sounds like an imitation of being pleasant, you can still hear that aggression or anger or conflict or strain or forcingness, being very forceful in that. You could even hear the sadness or the fear. So sound is part of what makes us, let's say, alive as beings, as spirits. It's within sound. And there are those who use this knowledge that I'm sharing to abuse people, to take advantage of people, where they will then try to listen for the sounds of people and in a way take advantage of the knowledge now and not use it what's best for all. However, if we are all equally educated in this, understanding this and practicing it, then, well, a lot of doors open up. Not just the point of, let's say, not being taken advantage of, but be able to create yourself as sound, create yourself as a living word. So everything I'm sharing here comes from the Desteni material. I've read about it many times over the years, heard about it, looked at what it meant, look at the potential, the possibility. And it's basically, if you are a complete, say, creator of yourself, if you don't have any biases, if you're not moved by your thoughts, if you Do not move according to your reactions that you're having. And you create yourself in the moment as sound, as who you are, as what's best for all. And that is something that is real, and that is something that can last, and that is something that is very impactful in your environment, in society, and those around you, and this whole world. Also notice too how children are born in this world, and because they have not yet learned the structure of words that is used in their language, in their part of the world, whether it's Mandarin, Spanish, English, any language, even sign language, any language, that they primarily communicate and understand the world around them through sound. When they speak, they're saying what they say, but they're really trying to communicate with their being, with their presence, with their sound, with their resonance. And when people talk to them, they're listening to the sound, and that's what they respond to. So that is why you may say something to a child, but they may do the opposite of what you're saying, because it's not what you are saying, it's actually who you are and what you are saying, which I'm talking about your sound. And that is not really just, let's say, your voice, like your vocal cords. It goes into something much deeper than that. That's why you can even see it within people's written words when they write something down. And of course, people can mask it, hide it, suppress it as much as they can. But if you're really in tune with sound, you really can hear that, then you're going to be able to perceive what's really going on within them.